Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 10th standard mathematics part first. Friends, in this session we are going to discuss on a question bank that is provided by the SCRT. Friends, in the previous session we discussed two topics on this question number 1b part first. In this part 2 we are going to discuss the remaining topics, that is arithmetic progression and probability. So friends, let us start with this. The question is like this, question number 1b, which is attempt the following sub questions, 4 marks, which each carrying 4 marks, each carrying 1 mark. So friends, there is no option at all the 4 sub questions you have to attempt. These questions are very easy and based on only one concept, one formula, one property. So these are easy. So let us start with the third topic, that is arithmetic progression. In this topic, the first sub question will be decide whether the given sequence 2, 4, 6 and 8 is an arithmetic progression AP. Friends, here it is T1 is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is 6. The difference between the consecutive terms T2 minus T1 will be 4 minus 2, which is 2. T3 minus T2, that is 6 minus 4, which is 2. From these two, we will come to know that T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 and so on, that is equal to 2, that is a constant one. So difference between two consecutive terms here, it is constant, therefore the given sequence is an AP. Find A and D. A means first term, D is the common difference for the arithmetic progression 1, 4, 7 and 10 and so on. So friends, here T1 is 1, T2 is 4. Therefore, the first term A, which is equal to T1, is equal to 1 and the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. Here T2 is 4 and T1 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to 3. The next problem, write the formula of the sum of first n terms for an AP. Friends, here we know that sum of the first n terms is given by the formula Sn, which is sum of n terms, is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is the number of terms, a is the first term and d is the common difference. Or the above formula can be also given like this, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket t1 plus tn. The variables have the same meaning, only thing that t1 is first term and tn is last term, or you could say nth term. Find Tn if a is equal to 20 and d is equal to 3. Friends, here it is given that a is 20 and d is equal to 3, but we know that the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for calculating the nth term. So we'll substitute the values, which is equal to 20 plus n minus 1 into 3. So 20 as it is, we'll solve this bracket, 3 into n is 3n and 3 ones are minus 3. 20 minus 3, that is 17 and 3n as it is. So nth term Tn is equal to 17 plus 3n. We'll see the next fifth one. Find T5 if a is equal to 3 and d is equal to minus 3. Friends, here it is given that a is equal to 3 and n is equal to 5. That is the fifth term we are going to calculate, and d is equal to minus 3. We know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is the formula for calculating the nth term. So T5 is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1 into another bracket minus 3. So 3 as it is, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 into minus 3. Now 3 here as it is, 4 3s are 12 and minus plus minus, that is minus 3 minus 12, that is minus 9. So fifth term is minus 9. Tn is equal to 2n minus 5 in a sequence. Find the first two terms. So friends, here it is given that Tn is equal to 2n minus 5, it is given. So first term n is equal to 1. So T1 is equal to 2 into bracket 1, n value is again 1, minus 5. 2 ones are 2, minus 5, that is minus 3. Second term n is equal to 2. So T2 is equal to 2 into bracket 2. Here 2, it is n's value, minus 5. 2 2s are 4, minus 5, that is minus 1. So the first two terms of the given sequence are minus 3 and minus 1. The next problem, find first term of the sequence Tn is equal to 2n plus 1. So friends, here it is given that Tn is equal to 2n plus 1, it is given. First term we have to calculate. So n is equal to 1. Therefore T1 is equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 and this plus 1 as it is. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can say that the first term of the sequence is 3. Such problems are very simple and easy. You can easily do all these. Find the two terms of the sequence Tn is equal to 3n minus 2. We will calculate the first two terms here also. So solution could be, it is given that Tn is equal to 3n minus 2. n is equal to 1, that is first term. 3 into bracket 1 minus 2. n's value is kept as 1. 3 ones are 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, that is 1. Again, the second term n is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 3 into bracket, again the value of n is 2. 3 into bracket 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 2, that is 4. So you can say that the first two terms of the sequence are this 1 and that of 4. Friends, we will see the next problem, that is ninth one. Find the common difference of an AP, arithmetic progression, which is 0.9, 0.6 and 0.3 and so on. Friends, we can see that here T1, the first term is 0.9 and second term T2 is 0.6 and third term T3 is equal to 0.6. We will consider two of them, that is T1 and T2. So common difference is nothing but a difference between the consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1. T2 is 0.6 and T1 is minus 0.9. So the answer will be minus 0.3. So the common difference is equal to minus 0.3. Friends, we will see the next, that is 10th problem. Find D, that is the difference if T9 is equal to 23 and A is equal to 7. So from this given equation, we will get that n is equal to 9 and T9 is 23, A is 7. So D could be calculated. For that, friends, we must write the given things, that is T9 is equal to 23 here, A is 7 and n is equal to 9. It is given. But we know that Tn could be written as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is the formula for calculating the nth term. So Tn is 23, will here write, that is it is a T9 plus A's value is 7 plus n's value is 9 minus 1 into D. Therefore, we will get that 7 plus 9 minus 1 is D, 8D, 9 minus 1 is 8 and D. 7 plus 8D is equal to this 23. So 7 we will take this side, it will be subtracted. So 8D is equal to 23 minus 7. 23 minus 7 is 16. Therefore, we can write that 8D is equal to 16. Therefore, D is equal to 16 upon 8, which is 2. Therefore, we can write that D is equal to 2. So, we will continue with the next topic, that is probability. We will discuss few problems here also. Number 1, write a sample space if two coins are tossed simultaneously. Coin means it has only two terms, that will be one is head and the second is tail. So two coins are tossed simultaneously. Their possibility is 4 will get. When one is tossed, we are getting only 2 possibilities, head or tail. But when two coins are simultaneously tossed, what will happen? So friends, here we are getting a sample space as that both may be head and tail and head, or both tail. So these are the possibilities. Next, we will see, write a sample space when a die is thrown. Die means it is cuboid, wherein have a 6 faces. So on each face, we are giving a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So when a die is thrown, there are 6 terms, 6 elements you are getting. Yes, sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In a set of 25 cards, each card bears only one number from 1 to 25. One card is drawn randomly. That is the sample space for this random experiment. Friends, 25 cards are there. On each card, what number written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So the sample space could be easily written S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 25, because 25 numbers we are using. So the sample space will be like this. Next we will see, that is a 2-digit number is formed with the digits 2, 3, 5 without a repetition. For example, if you consider the digit 2 will not be there If you consider 3, 3, 3 will not be there. Means the digits should not repeat. Accordingly, we have to prepare 2-digit numbers and have to write a sample space. Friends, a 2-digit number is found with the digits 2, 3, 5 without a repetition. That would be, when you consider 2 and 3, that is 23, 2 and 5, that is 25. When you take 3 as a tens place, 3 and 2, that is 32. 3, 3 will not be there. 3, 5, 35 will be there. Next is when you consider 5 as a tens place, then 5 into 2, 5 and 2, that gives 52, and 5 and 3, that will be 53. Those sample space will be 23, 25, 32, 35, 52 and 53. We'll see this one problem. Write an event in the set form for the following random experiment. A one die is thrown, the number obtained on the upper face is even. Friends, we know that when a die is thrown, you are getting a 6 possibilities, and we can write the sample space for that as is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4 and 6 are even. So this will become a one event A. Let A be the event that the number obtained on the upper face is even. So A will be 2, 4 and 6. Event A are considering these elements 2, 4 and 6. So friends, I think you got all these problems. Use the reference study material for an additional problems. Prepare them properly. Go thoroughly. Use a textbook. Solved examples also consider them. Thank you for watching this video. To all of you, we'll meet soon in the next video. Till that, bye.